Hey there, amazing parents and caregivers. Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things baby care, parenting, and making the journey of raising little ones a whole lot easier and joyful. Today, we're diving into a topic that many parents face at some point: your baby refusing to eat. If you've ever found yourself worried, frustrated, or just plain confused about why your little one isn't eating, don't worry, you are not alone. This video is going to walk you through some of the common reasons why babies refuse food, what it might mean, and how you can gently and effectively encourage healthy eating habits. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll feel more informed, more reassured, and ready to help your baby enjoy their mealtimes again. Feeding your baby is one of those things that feels so instinctive. You prepare the food, you offer it lovingly, and you expect at least some interest, or maybe even a messy smile in return. But when your baby turns away, clenches their mouth shut, or throws food on the floor day after day, it can become exhausting. And more than that, it's worrisome. You start wondering if they're getting enough nutrition, if something is wrong, or if you're doing something incorrectly. First off, it's important to recognize that this kind of feeding issue is very common, especially in babies between 6 to 18 months old when solid foods are being introduced or established. One of the biggest reasons babies might not be eating is simply because they're not hungry. Babies, like adults, have fluctuating appetites. Some days they're ravenous, and other days they just want a few spoonfuls. Growth spurts, teething, illness, or even a change in routine can impact how much your baby wants to eat. Teething is a huge culprit. Imagine trying to enjoy a meal when your gums feel sore and irritated. That's what your baby is dealing with when new teeth are pushing through. They may still be interested in food but just not feel comfortable chewing or swallowing. Offering cool, soft, and soothing foods can really help in this phase. Think yogurt, mashed banana, or chilled purees. Another reason your baby might resist food is texture. As babies transition from milk to solids, they're encountering an entirely new world of tastes and textures. Some babies adapt quickly, while others are more sensitive. If your little one keeps spitting things out or looks unsure, they might just need more time to get used to the way different foods feel in their mouth. Be patient and try offering the same food in different forms: steamed, mashed, pureed, or even frozen into a teether-style popsicle. Sometimes the issue is less about food and more about control. Around the 9 to 12 month mark, babies start wanting independence. They might resist being spoon-fed simply because they want to try feeding themselves. That's a great opportunity to introduce finger foods. Letting your baby pick up small pieces of soft fruit, cooked veggies, or bite-sized bits of cheese gives them a sense of agency and often sparks more interest in eating. It's also worth noting that distraction plays a big role. If there's a lot going on, TV in the background, toys on the table, or even other siblings causing chaos, your baby may just be too overstimulated to focus on the task at hand. Try creating a calm, predictable mealtime routine where the focus is food and connection. A simple high chair in a quiet corner can do wonders. Now, let's talk about milk. If your baby is still having frequent bottles or nursing often, they might be filling up on milk and not have room for solid food. It's important to strike a balance as they grow. Around 9 to 12 months, babies generally need less milk and more variety in their diet. Gradually offering solids before milk can help transition them to more regular eating patterns. Medical concerns are rare, but they can't be ruled out entirely. Persistent feeding refusal, weight loss, or signs of discomfort while eating could be indicators of issues like reflux, food allergies, or oral motor delays. If your baby consistently avoids food and you feel something isn't right, don't hesitate to talk to your pediatrician. Trust your instincts, they're powerful tools in parenting. So, what can you do to encourage better eating habits? First, stay calm and avoid turning mealtime into a battle. Babies can sense stress, and if they associate food with pressure, they're even more likely to resist. Instead, model positive behavior by eating with them, showing excitement about different foods, and allowing them to explore even if it's messy. Let them touch, squish, lick, and even throw food, within reason. It's all part of learning. Consistency is key. Offer meals and snacks at regular times, and limit grazing throughout the day so they actually arrive at the table hungry. Offer a wide variety of nutritious foods and trust that your baby will eat what they need. Even if they only have a few bites, it's progress. Sometimes, it helps to introduce a little fun into the process. Use colorful plates, fun shapes, or let your baby help prepare their food, even if that just means handing you a banana or stirring with a spoon. Creating a positive, interactive environment around food helps build healthy associations that can last a lifetime. And remember, all babies develop at their own pace. What matters most is that you're present, loving, and offering opportunities for your baby to explore and grow. Some days they'll surprise you and eat everything on the plate. Other days, they'll want nothing but milk and cuddles. That's okay. Thanks so much for watching and spending this time with me. If this video helped ease your mind or gave you a few new strategies to try, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might be going through the same thing. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more helpful baby tips, parenting hacks, and support through every stage of your little one's journey. You've got this, and your baby is lucky to have you. See you in the next video.